Yes, so my correct people, I don't come back again. I don't show with another latest, my people. Tori, they finish show. This very one when I carry come. This one shortalized me. 9 years old girl don't drag him mama come meet social. He don't put him mama for high table. As I dey knack this matter, so they want carry the woman, the rest of her 3 children. These are 9 years old daughter go dey report for school wetin im mama dey do for house, and this thing wey be say e lead to the one wey she take report her mother. Some of us wey be parents for abroad, we dey do am. Nobody wey no dey do Western Union, or if you no dey do Western Union, you dey get one like the way you take dey send your money go Africa. If you know say you be parents, you dey abroad, abeg carry your chair, carry your popcorn, carry am near body, come hear wetin dey happen. E good make you learn. Wetin this woman dey pass through right now, my people, they no dey wish person enemy make e dey that seat. After she don carry belle for 9 months, 4 children, she wan kiss am goodbye because of one small mistake wey be say some of us, if it be say our children dey do am, never tear eye. Even when me hear her tori, I shock. Like from that very day, if my children they go school, I dey check that part where we say lead down to this problem. So guys, this thing when it happens, now France now it for happen. And this video, if you know say you be single mother, but you get husband, you and your husband una planner, I beg carry your check also, because the matter is still gum this woman. Now wetin make her want pay 21,000 euro back to France government now. When she dey tell me, my people, I dey share tears. Like wetin dey happen? Pikin when she carry for belle, na I drag him mama come outside because of one thing wey they see for the pikin hand. The story goes like this. This woman na France she dey. She na Nigeria woman, and she does still stay for abroad. Not be France, she just fed there when she come. She fed there another country before she come France. She get 4 children from 2 men, like two. Now she take born her. This one will be say she last born, so she deal with the man, but she and the man no they stay together according to the law of France when she claim. But they live under one roof. But she tell the government say she's a single mother. The man abandoned her. The man come out, so they pay her single mother money. So she get 10 years. Now Aduro now grant her asylum, like she chop Aduro, she seek asylum when she come. They can't grant her 10 years. So now the 10 years now she give her children. Now she still give this very man when 2 of them day together. One day like that, according to her, she say her daughter teacher can call her, say, come on, wait till una they do for una house. How una say they live for them? Your picking the way they do for class, they don't understand that. According to her, she said she can't tell them, say, the pikin papa, now so they do waka, maybe now the spirits now enter the pikin body. He said one of her friends come tell her, say, make sure they use salt and water. Make sure they use salt and water. Make sure they bath the pikin. Maybe the pikin head go calm down. Maybe now something they disturb the king, maybe papa. I know some of those our Africa believe when some of us get, So she said she can't they do and the thing can't see, okay, they not complain. One day again, they can't call her, say, your pikin carry spoon come school today. She comes and say, how the pikin take carry spoon come school? They say they sing her for the pikin school bag. They can't tell her, say, me and mother, they very careful. They don't tell her, say, pikin don't ever carry condom come school, don't ever carry Western Union paper, everything. They can't they tell her small one, but the big one, they can't they use until they fight case against this woman. This woman sit down for, I don't know, say her matter, that they judge her for high court for France. Now, wow, pray me will not use her work, make us stay born back pikin. Now, so one day, she said she can't dare, they can't ring bell. As she come, she see 3 men with one woman. What did they happen? They said there be police when they come, they look house, whether the children, they okay. And if the children not they okay, they get paper to carry those children. No. She said she can't say what? And her husband, the house. Now, not say she tell government, say she's a single mother. The man, not the. Now, then she can't weak like he do when he's so hoy. Like, what did they happen? Husband, they say when they sleep. Government people, which is social, they don't dey door. Now she open door, she not get choice. So they can't look everywhere. They can't see the man. They can't say, ah, your baby father can't greet you. She can't say yes. The baby father can't greet her. They can't write everything where she talk, eh? They can't jot her for ground for her. Now they can't say this pikin, they okay. We not go carry the ball. Take this paper, go take lawyer. We go see for court. It will say those children not they okay when they come. Now they for carry, but they okay. But your matter already they court. You need to take lawyer, come court. They not be bad person to carry your children, you know. She said she can't run up and down. She can't go meet lawyer. Any lawyer when she go meet, they go tell her say no be we go handle this kind of case because this your case, eh? It don't tear apart. They can't help her look for lawyer when he go feel judge the case. As they reach court, my country people, now there this woman faint for inside court. They can't bring one bag. They can't bring one file when we say he don't hide. He don't tell when they judge a matter for back when we say she don't know. Now they can't tell and say no case when he hold you, he say no. Fraud case, he hold you. Your children, you know they take care of them, he hold you. You, as the woman, you get husband. You can't lie. Say you not get husband. You travel all the way from France to Nigeria and you get our duro, you say your family, all of the daughter die finish from Nigeria. Now you can't go Nigeria. Go do traditional wedding with this your husband. You can't tell us say you never marry. Your marriage certificate, you can't still do white marriage. All of them there with you. You can't tell us say you never marry. My people, the woman say she first. And another one comes still there inside, say, your pikin don't carry condom come school. Western Union paper, your pikin carry and come. When you take do 800 something euro, go Africa, that there will follow you. Your pikin, they pack something, they come. Every time when your pikin, they come school, they pull something for inside jacket and school bag. Parents are beg. Me, I come here, come beg. Make una they look their school bag well, like that jacket when they wear. I know say some children go put hand. You just say that they feel cool. This very woman pikin they pack something come off for us, they put them for inside. They carry her. The mama don't know why the pikin go they do that kind of thing. Go put something for bag. Everything the Western Union paper when mama do, everything when they happen, the even sweet pants, the mama pants, pikin go put them for inside school bag. You kind of go show them for school. Phone when they come every they look for house. The pikin carry and put for inside school bag. They go give teacher for school. The teacher come they gather. They feel gather everything when they find. Now so they come till they go court. My country people. Our children, they don't schedule they don't fix dates when they want carry our children. For that one, not to go feel whole make they not carry our children. I not carry this matter come here for advice at all because this a matter it already set. But now for me and you, when you get picking for abroad to learn. I know say Europe children, they not be like Nigeria children we go say shh, shut up. But abroad children, you go fit still do one in a way where we say you not go use something abuse the picking, make the picking not go report. I know say some children there's a bit talk. Why some they not they feed they talk. The woman said she can't fento, they can't come and blast for her. Since then, they day on the case. Since July, now they did that case. They don't finally talk, say they want to carry those children because the woman need to pay them. The single mother money when they don't pay her. Since when the man did the house. How they tell no say that man did that house now, still that he became when he did 9 years. If he come, they go to ask and say, when your papa go say he did house. When your daddy go say it dey house. When your daddy go say it dey house. So the guardian when he did their area, they can go ask her, Oga guardian, this man they say now there the man they stay. So the woman they collect single mother money when say she get husband for inside her and her husband they work. The man get another country paper, he still get France paper when the woman give her. The woman don't marry now, according to Nigeria law. He don't marry, but she they claim single mother for France. Now that they can say, make she pay 20-something thousand for that one wey doctor shop their single mother money, may return their money back to them. And for your children, they're not they okay, because sometimes she and her husband they quarrel, and that pikin now when they 9 years they fit carry that one not dey the house again. Me mama no go use hand take delete am, because the small pikin na open in mama nyash. The rest of the children they go carry them, but they don't seize them. The woman fit go dey see her, and she go dey work take pay this very money. They want carry those children come off for her hand, so that she go feel work take pay government back the money. But for that one, I believe say there is hope for her, for some kind thing where they say I don't want display here. Like if you get the same problem, they say return money back. There are people there where they say if you go meet, you know, and you go get your hotel do and the money you so that one, I'm not saying not be everything person feel it for camera for all those kinds of things. You know, so you both people they don't open her and when you even the broken and they'll translate her. So that one for the money, now just small problem that one be, but the real problem that be this are children when it dey inside. They want carry those children, she'll go they see them after 2 years when those children don't deal with the government. Now then they go judge her again whether they go carry those children, give her back, or may they just take and finish. But you see that 9 years old girl, that one already come out for the family. Because that kind of picking office stay with the mama for us, made the mama not go use koboko and ugbepa. Some people where they use stick till they beat their children. Be very, very careful. You know, if you get husband, go do marriage for Africa. Just tell them the truth. Is better you tell them the truth. Now small money they go carry come off for inside. Like her own now, she get 10 years. They go still give her hairdresser back. Now that single mother money when it dey inside, now they go cut come out. If they remove the single mother money when it dey inside, money still there when you still manage. At least she get 4 children. It go reach. Some people will say that they cheat or Igbo, whereas na self una they do. See what this woman they do. She they collect single mother money. She get husband for house, and she don't even marry for Nigeria. She don't marry, but she constantly collect single mother money because of money will not reach 400 euro, not even reach 300 euro. Now she think enter this trouble. So, well, guys, now so the matter reach. How una see her, I bear no fail to drop your opinion in the comment section. And if any question there when you want to ask me, or you want to talk to me, follow me on my page, Tessie Simple Lifestyle. My number there, add me on WhatsApp.